Page 176, The Chase. This is an excerpt from an etude by Burgmüller. This opus 100 that he did is, I don't know, 24, 25 etudes. I forget how many. I did lessons on all of them. I have a playlist on them, but they're rather challenging. So this one, they didn't give you fingerings for the first few measures. Interesting. But it goes extremely fast. And when it goes fast, you have to use a fingering that works fast. So we have to think about that. I don't know that we're going to go extremely fast, but the etude actually does. So look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. This is in the key of C major. So do the scale and arpeggio for C major and A minor. And 6/8 time. So an eighth note gets a count. So it's one hand at a time. And I'm going to connect everything at first, if I can. 2, 3. That's all that is? You think, well, this is simple enough. Stick around. That's all that, the last measure. Okay. The left hand was 2/5, 1/4. We're trying to connect these as best we can, and this is actually pretty good fingering. You can connect, so it's and up here, and then here. Thumb has to do extra work, but we are connecting them as close as we can with the fingers. Second line, the last measure, you can do a 3 or you can do a 4. Either one, just connect the E to the C here. It's a little awkward here. You gotta stretch out. But if you do a 4, you don't have to stretch out. If you do a 5, do a finger substitution right quick. Play with 5 and put 4 on it, so you can do that. You can do that too if you want. If there's time, remember this is a fast piece. So when we put the hands together, we're here. Then I think about these staccatos, short staccatos here, and depending on how fast you're going, we can use wrist staccato, I think, here. And try and connect these and accent. So forth, and the last measure is connected. So in the dynamics, here actually the melody's more in the left hand. That's the melody, actually this. So this in the background here. This is heavy, this is not so heavy. And then you come down, and now you're light here and very light here. That makes the accented notes just a moderately soft. You go up just a little bit for the accent. Then speed, allegro vivace. Well, good luck with that. Allegro is fast and vivace is very fast. So now we have very fast, fast. And this is where we might have some problems. A fingering that works slowly may or may not work fast. A fingering that it works for the fast is not necessarily the best fingering for a slower piece. You have to check. I start out, because I'm working slowly, I use the fingering for slowly. But when I speed it up, that doesn't work so well. So if possible, try and do 2-1 here. So you're not using the same finger. You got to do that with a staccato. Because when you go up, that's just an octave. You just got to get this bar. You can do a 1-2, but then you got to go up. You want to go here or here. Whichever is easier for you, that's the fingering you'd use. So I can do 1, 2. The book gives a fingering for it, and I don't remember which way he does, but in my opinion, you should do either one. I think it's 2-1. And then this is connected. Be accurate though. Don't go faster than accurate. If this is it, and you think, well, to slow it down, I don't need a 2-1. I can just do that. But I would encourage you to use the 2-1 because it's good practice. You're exploring a more advanced fingering period that will help you out in the future if you get more advanced. So do the 2-1. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the louds and softs. Just going to play the notes and the staccatos too. I'll give it 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go.